chic H1-4070S horizontal bandsaw machine represents a prime example of straight-cutting sawing technology. This highly versatile machine tool is specifically engineered for the precise cutting of an extensive range of metal materials, including metal profiles, tubes, as well as round and square stock such as steel billets. By carefully selecting the appropriate process parameters, it demonstrates remarkable adaptability, being capable of processing various ferrous and non-ferrous metals with equal proficiency. It finds extensive application across a diverse spectrum of large and medium-sized enterprises and institutions, spanning industries such as steel manufacturing, mold and die casting, machinery production, metallurgy, mining, petroleum extraction, automotive manufacturing, shipbuilding, and machine tool building. Undoubtedly, it serves as an outstanding piece of process equipment for the efficient sawing of large-scale billet components. Central to its operation is a bimetallic bandsaw blade, which endows the machine with several notable advantages. Characterized by an extremely narrow saw curve, minimal consumable usage, and low power requirements, it stands out as an energy-efficient and highly productive cutting solution. Structurally, the machine incorporates a robust double-column design. This not only guarantees the structural integrity, stability, and technological sophistication of the equipment, but also ensures that each functional component has an ample safety margin. As a result, it consistently delivers high-quality sawing precision, meeting the most demanding industrial standards.